my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video.
So this is one of my favourite designs to do this time of year because it's very simple, very effective, very quick to do, and I love it and my clients love it. So I've got my nail all ready to go and I've popped down 2 coats of shadow from the Touch of Darkness Gel Polish collection. You're going to need your non-white top coats, either a dotting tool or an orange stick, something with a point on the end, and you're going to need some white acrylic, so I'm using Lily. So coming in with your top coat, make sure you're using a nice thin layer. Don't use too much. Stretch that down the nail, seal the end. So you can use white or you can use something with a little bit of sparkle in it. Obviously this is snow, so it needs to be white to a certain extent. But you've got titanium that you can use. I think it's called titanium from the metallic collection. That's quite a nice alternative. But what we're going to do here is just going to pack that top coat with the white acrylic powder. Tap off any excess. Now you're going to need to watch this for a minute because if you've popped too much top coat on, it's going to absorb and it will go shiny again. And if it does that, we're just going to pop some more. So here, can you see down here, it's gone a little bit wet. So we're just going to keep soaking this in the acrylic powder until it's not wet anymore. That looks good to me. Right, so before that goes into the lamp, careful not to knock it, we're going to use I'm going to use the orange stick. You can use a dotting tool, anything like that, and we're going to create our footprints through here. So I'm going to start up here and I'm just going to carve in a little footprint like that. So the idea is it's going to push the acrylic powder up and out, which is what you'd expect to see if you left your own footprints in the snow. I love doing this. So you could do it with footprints like this, you could do paw prints, you could do, well, paw prints would look cute, wouldn't they? Yeah. You could do like little bird steps.
Bird steps would have been really fiddly though, wouldn't they?
It depends. As long as you've got something fine, you could use a design needle. And that would work well.
Okay.
Right, so when you're happy with that, so you can see how it's pushed some of the acrylic up. So it's not going to be too snaggy. But it gives that nice effect that you've actually left footprints in the snow, hence it being called footprints in the snow. Right, pop down the lamp for me, please, Sam. And all you need to do when that comes out the lamp is give it a dust off, get rid of that excess acrylic powder. Now, if there is any big chunks of acrylic sticking up, it should literally flick off, but none of those are particularly big. But I love it. So careful when you're applying your cuticle oil. Try and keep it just on the cuticle. Try not to get it onto the acrylic powder because I'll make it shiny. And there you have it.
So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.